Tools. We're in SEMA. We're really fortunate that we're going to have this booth in our vehicle this year. Just kidding, this booth will not, excuse me, start over. Hey y'all, Garen with Millner Tools here. We're in SEMA, getting set up. It's still crazy, but we're super excited. Wouldn't it be awesome if we could have a car like this in our booth this year? Now the reality is, we can't have a car like that in our booth this year, but it would be awesome if we did have a car in our booth this year. So we're going to walk over to our collision and repair booth, 34235, and I love showing off just kind of the craziness of the setup day, because not everybody gets to see SEMA getting set up. It's going to look a whole lot different tomorrow. Also crazy that they set up entire situations like this for painting. I don't even think they're painting. They're just setting it up. Like, obviously with SEMA, it's the who's who of everything. Like every brand you can possibly imagine. So here's where we are. 34235. Check out all of our tools. We're going to have our metal cutting tools here that we're demonstrating. We're going to have all of our grinding wheels, which I'm sure a lot of you have seen. We're going to be drilling, we're going to be cutting, showing all of it to you here. SEMA 2023 booth. Heck, I can't even remember the booth number. 34235. Come check it out. And now I'm going to take you over and show you our other booth that's in the tools section. They also wanted to show you our other booth at SEMA, because obviously we're a big part of collision and repair, but we also are a tool company at the end of the day. So we've got our booth 31235, which is in the tool section, which isn't quite as exciting as the repair section at this point, but we'll be shooting live tomorrow. We'll be doing Facebook Live tomorrow. We'll be doing Instagram Live tomorrow. So check us out. We're going to be showing all of our products. I love how my colleague here is doing an amazing job of not tripping and falling. He is walking backwards, and I'm trying to remember where our booth is. Let's cut this way. I think it's over here. But yeah, 31235. If you've never been to SEMA before, I'm not even a huge car guy, and it's absolutely insane. Everybody under the sun is here, and I think I guessed right how to get to our booth. Here's our other booth. Show you what's under the curtain. That's why you got to stop by our booth here at SEMA 2023. Come check us out. We're upstairs, actually, in the South Hall upper. So that's where you want to check us out. This is our tool booth. Everything will be rocking and rolling tomorrow. We just can't show you because the show's not open yet. So check us out. Hey, y'all, also wanted to show